Question 3.1. Consider the figure below where dB is 205, so we can see that here. BC is 263, so that's this bottom line. And then the angle that they've given is ACB. Okay, so this whole angle here is 47.8. Calculate the length of AB. Okay, so I'm going to be using, we have to use this angle that they've given us. So let's use this angle here, 47.8. We want AB, which is the opposite side. We have this BC, which is the adjacent side. So we can use tan for this one. So what we can say is tan 47.8 is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Okay, because that's the definition of tan. So opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. Okay, and we know the length of BC is 263. Okay, and if we get rid of all the stuff in the middle, then we've got this. So tan is equal to that. We can take that across. So we were dividing by 263, now we can times by it. So we're going to get AB is equal to 263 times tan of 47.8. And you can just plug that straight into your calculator. And we're going to get tan of 47.8 times 263 is 290.05. So we can just round that to 290 millimeters. It depends obviously on what they say for what you should round it to. If it's 2 decimals, then it's obviously this first one. So let's see, the length of AD is the next question. So we want to work out this small bit. Okay, we know the total length is 290. We know this small bit is 205. So we can go 290 minus 205 will give us AD, that small part there. So if we work this out, 290 minus 205 is 85. So AD is 85 centimeters. Okay, and then 3.1.3, work out angle D1 to the nearest degree. So we're looking for this angle in here. I don't see a way that we can work that out directly, but I think if we look in this triangle here, we can quite easily work out D2. So first of all, let's do that. In triangle DBC, we can say 180 minus 90 degrees, because they have this 90-degree angle here, minus 47.8 is, let's see, 180 minus 90 minus 47.8 is 42.2 degrees, which is angle D2. Our reason is angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. And then we can say 180 minus D2 will give us D1, because that's angles on a straight line. Okay, so 180 minus D2 will give us D1, because also angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so we can say 180 minus 42.2. 137.8 is D1. And then they say rounded to the nearest degree. So that is going to be 138 degrees.